Well, the growth of cooperatives within Kilifi County is providing a ray of hope for business persons. Saccos have steadily grown in the area, and county funds to bolster this further are encouraging while tourism inflows decline. This development keeps spurring growth. Here's more on that.
Kilifi County's cooperative movements have been lauded for boosting business growth in the county. This is despite the declining fortunes in tourism as a key economic activity. Sacco movements still play a key role in investment growth, according to James Mwasi, the Kilifi County Cooperative Commissioner. He elaborated while speaking in Malindi town to mark Ushirika Day celebrations.
As at the end of the 31st December 2018, the county had a total of 270 registered cooperatives. 209 were non-agricultural, with savings and credit cooperative societies forming the bulk.
Chief Executive Committee Member for the Department of Trade, Tourism and Cooperative Development, Honorary Nahida Athman, led all cooperative societies in Kilifi County in marking the 97th Ushirika Day in Malindi.
Cooperative development is almost 100% fully devolved. Hii ni kumaanisha kwamba serikali kuu amepatia county government majukumu ya kuendeleza ushirika.
She also called on small-scale business persons to join cooperatives so as to benefit from programs like the Kilifi Microfinance Fund, Mbengu Fund, that receives 1% of the total Kilifi County annual budget. This translates to 100,000 million shillings to be distributed to various groups and cooperatives within the county. Groups and cooperatives that meet the requirements receive 2 to 5 million shillings, and already 10 cooperatives have received the interest-free loans. Kilifi County Saccos stand a chance to thrive and create